So in this video we will gonna learn these things. It is the first chapter. It is the first chapter of class 11, that is unit and dimensions. So hope you will like it. If you like it, please motivate me. So first we have to learn about unit. What is unit? Standard quantity which is used to express a physical quantities, and you can measure that peak physical quantity equals to nu, where number and the unit system of units there are four: CGS system, APS system, and MKS, and SI system, which is a standard system. Length is measured. There are seven fundamental units. They are length meter, mass kilogram, time second, electric current ampere, limits intensity candela, amount of substance mole, temperature Kelvin, supplementary units, plane angle, radian, solid angles steradian, alpha radian 180, derived unit, fundamental unit derived. So dimension is our dimension for physical units, defined as the power to which fundamental units of physical quantities must be raised to express it. So you can say the dimensions from an example. Force is mass in translation, so ml t minus 2 to the power. So we can work energy ml square t minus 2. So this is a power, that is work done by time, so time को divide by 3 minus 3 भयो. त्यसपछि pressure and the stress, you can pressure and stress को same हुन्छ, that is ml minus 2. Force by area, modulus of elasticity is same as pressures. Planck constant is equals to energy by frequency, so you can see ml square t. So Boltzmann constant equals k by rn, with pv and r2, pv and kVt, so k equals to pv by t. So it is this and m square by t minus 2. This is just it is just energy or work divided by temperature. Resistance equals to b by r, so b equals to ir. So ml is equal to minus 2. You can see here so capacitance equals c equals to q by v. So you can see v equals to q equals to, so q equals to cv. So minus 1 l minus 2 t 4 a2. These are really important dimensions which are mostly asked in the CE exam. So here is a important dimensional formula: linear momentum mass into velocity. You can see there momentum and mass into velocity. Impulse ft, impulse means fit. So you can see here here you can see here fit t. So fit feet. So impulse equals to force into time. So you can see here force into time, which is impulse force in time. So fit average velocity, t minus average acceleration t minus 2, moment mass multiplication mass into this suffocation force by length, coefficient of viscosity f and a velocity. So coefficient of viscosity and equal to this is, and at last you will get ml minus 1 t minus 1, which is a really askable question in CE. So you must have this for the competitive exam. Angular moment of inertia into angular velocity, ml to m is equal to t minus. So it is matchable with the coefficient of viscosity. Coefficient no, I think it is matchable with coefficient of viscosity. None is not with, sorry for inconvenience. So torque or couple force into lumbar span. त्यसपछि work and torque energy, all are same dimension. Angular momentum, Planck constant, specific capacity, this you can see. And if you have this much, and it will be really nice. Dimensionless quantity is really important. It is mostly asked in the competitive exams. Specific gravity, relative density, then which is a relative terms don't have a dimension, as the units are caught by the numerator and denominator. Plane angle, solid angle unit, refractive index, Poisson's ratio, and strain. Stress has same as pressure. Strain doesn't have. Coefficient of friction, that is p mu equals to tan alpha. Magnetic susceptibility, electron susceptibility, dielectric constant, permittivity, relative permittivity, mechanical equivalence of heat, emissivity, loudness unit. So this so you can see moment, forcing distance, moment of inertia, force. So if C R coefficient, resistance, and inductance, RC L by C have the same dimension, that is we have to learn RC L by R under root LC, they have the same dimension, that is T. This is really asked in the C exam. So T inverse equal to 1 by LC, LC equal to T. So some quantities having identical dimension formula. Related to cavity equals to gravitational field intensity, linear momentum equals to impulse, work, energy, torque, couple momentum, force, thrust, weight, tension, energy gradient, pressure, stress, modulus, velocity, absent, gravitational potential, specific latent heat, same. Then you can specific heat capacity, angular momentum, and the mass and the mass of inertia into average velocity, and Planck constant ml square t minus angular momentum and Planck and angular momentum and Planck constant have the same. This electric potential, EMF potential, you can see this is inductance ml square, its unit is ready. So this for much for video. If you like it, please comment down. I will be posting other parts too. Please subscribe and encourage me by like.